my name is Slime Girl. Today I want to show you how to make my favorite slime. We need glue and shading foam and borax water and color and bowl and spoon. First, we put the glue into the bowl. And we put the glue into the bowl. Then we put the shading foam into the bowl.
This way.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Little more.
Okay.
Okay.
And shading foam into the bowl and mix them until sticky.
Is it good?
Yeah.
Okay.
Next, we add the coloring into the bowl. I choose blue and mix well. Okay. Okay. Then we add the borax water a little at first, then mix it up quickly until the slime grows. Okay, this.
Yeah, with a spoon you can use.
Okay. And you can add more borax water if you need it. Finally, your slime is done. You can play with it. Enjoy!